This tech pack took over a couple months to make, and now I'm going to show you how I can make this exact same tech pack in a matter of minutes. All I do is I go to aitechpacks.com and I'm just going to upload a reference image of the product I'm trying to make. And then I'm going to generate my AI flat sketch. Once my flat sketch comes back to me and I see all the measurement lines and it looks good, I can make edits to how I want to position the measurement lines on the flat sketch, and I can even now input some extra fabric details and spec details. So I'm going to use 460 GSM today, French terry cotton, and then we're also going to use plastisol screen printing for the logo. And then I just click Generate Professional Tech Pack. Once we get our tech pack right here, I can take a look at the PDF that it created for me. As you can see right here, we got our callouts. We have our flat sketch with our measurements for our sample size. And we have a full measurement table with auto grading. We even have an artwork page, colorways with Pantone colors right here for us, more color information, as well as cost sheet. So if I don't like any of this information right here, it's super easy to edit. For example, with the placement guide, with the screen printing, I want to show more of the logo. So all I'm going to do is go crop image here, and I am just going to recrop it so we get more of that logo. Just like that. And then I just click save. And then there we go, we updated our call out. I'm also just going to change this, the call out, just to use cotton, just to zoom in on the fabric itself. Here, let's do the sleeves here. And then it looks like the AI missed one more call out that I want to add, which is embroidery. We'll call it embroidery letters. Embroidery of Cloverfield. And then we're just going to click on where we want the call out to be. And I'm just going to crop it to just focus on that part right there. And then boom, we got our call out that we just added. We're going to save it as well. Boom, we just added our call out. Okay, so what if I want to make edits to the measurement table? I can make edits to anything. What's cool is I can make manual edits to everything, but also I can make edits via AI. So for example, what do I want to change? Well, let's say I want to use Nike size charts for hoodies. And then we just click regenerate. And then we scroll up here, we can see that the AI edit's in progress. You can see here in our change log that the AI has edited all of the measurements to reflect Nike's sizing and sizing rules. So now we have a new measurements table, as well as new sample size measurements. So when I'm ready, I can download this as a PDF. I can even update my logo as well, and then put in all my company information here. And I can just email this right over to the manufacturer. It's that easy.